Hello students, let us do the revision. Okay. First poem is Bridge. Look at the spelling bridge. 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 Okay. Listen and recite the poem with actions. Okay. Now let me read this poem. You have to listen carefully. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. I repeat, boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Okay, Christina Rossetti is the poetess of this poem. Okay, let me explain. Boats sail on the rivers. Boats sail on the rivers. Students, you can see the boats on the rivers. And ships sail on the seas, where we can see the ships on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky. But clouds that sail across the sky. You can see the clouds are floating on the sky. Yes. Are prettier than these. Are prettier than these. According to the poetess Christina Rossetti, these floating clouds on the sky are more beautiful than the boats sail on the rivers and the ships sail on the seas. Okay. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. Poetess says that you are so beautiful or more beautiful. So she compares the bridges on the rivers to you, as you are so pretty. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven. She imagines that the bow that bridges the heaven, this bridges the heaven, is a bridge to the heaven. Okay. And over top the trees, this bow, you can see this is a rainbow. This is built over the or above the trees. Okay. And builds a road from earth to sky. This rainbow or this bow builds a road from earth to sky or earth to sky. Is prettier far than these. Is prettier far than these means this bow is more beautiful than the bridges on the rivers. Okay, understood? We can see here we can see one set of rhyming words. These, please. These, please are the rhyming words in this poem. Let me read, students. Once again, you have to recite this poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Okay. Look at the question. First question, give rhyming words. These, please. In this poem, we can see these rhyming words. These, please. Question 2, give meanings. Sail. First one, sail. Sail means what? Move smoothly. Move smoothly. Second one, heaven. Heaven means the abode of God or place of God. Okay. Heaven means what? The abode of God, or we can say it's a place of God. Question 3, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First question, how many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Question 2. Name the colors of a rainbow. Name the colors of a rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It is also said as Vibgyor. Vibgyor. These are the first letter of these colors. See V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Violet first letter V, V. Indigo first letter I, capital letter I. Blue first letter B. Green first letter G. Yellow first letter Y. Orange first letter O. Red first letter R. So Vibgyor. Easy to remember. Okay. Vibgyor. Vibgyor. Draw and color the rainbow. You have to draw and color the rainbow. Now let's see the colors here. What is this? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. We can see the 7 colors in a rainbow. Okay? Understood? Now let us go to the next page. What is the question here? Question is, write down the things that have following colors. Write down the things that have following colors. You have to give one example which has same color. Okay? Violet. Brinjal. Brinjal has the which color? Violet. Indigo. Indigo, blueberries. Blue, sky. Green, leaf. Yellow, sun. Orange, orange fruit. Red, apple. Violet, which color? Brinjal. Indigo, blueberry. Blue, sky. Green, leaf. Yellow, sun. Orange, orange fruit. Red, apple. Look and say river. What is the spelling river? R-I-V-E-R, river. Sky, S-K-Y. Sea, S-E-A-C. Clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Bridges, B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. Heaven, H-E-A-V-E-N, heaven. Across, A-C-R-O-S-S, across. Earth, what is the earth spelling? E-A-R-T-H, earth. Prettier, P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R, prettier. Ships, S-H-I-P-S, ships. Bow, B-O-W, bow. Overtops, O-V-E-R-T-O-P-S, overtops. Okay. Now let us go to the next topic, that is activity time. Topic 2 is which? Activity time. This is a game, students, with alphabets. Okay. Here you can see 2 cards, pink card and blue card. Pink card, some letter have written, see, A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U are called vowels in English. Okay. A-E-I-O-U are called what? Vowels in English. Remaining all the letters are called consonants. Remaining all the letters are called what? Consonants. Let's see. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. All these letters are called what? Consonants. A-E-I-O-U are called vowels. Remaining all the letters are called what? Consonants. Here we are playing one game. This game will improve our vocabulary, students. Okay. That's why we are playing this game. Okay. First, you have to close your eyes and put one finger on any letter on the pink card. Okay. Afterwards, you have to open your eyes and see which letter you have selected and you have to write down. Next, it is your partner turn. partner has to close his or her eyes and they have to put finger on any letter on the blue card. Okay, and afterwards they have to open their eyes and they have to see which letter they have selected. Okay, afterwards both of them get the two letters. Okay, they have to write down and they have to form so many words using that two letters. Here you can see two partners, they have selected S and I letter. They have selected I from the blue card and S from the pink card. Sorry, I from the pink card and S from the blue card. Okay, so they have formed three words here. SIT, sit. FISH, fish. Is. Understood? Here, these two partners also selected two letters, G and O. O from pink card and partner got G from other blue card. Okay, so they have formed the words, three words they have formed. GOAT, goat. DOG, dog. FROG, frog. Here these two partners selected A and T letters. Okay, A from pink card and T from blue card. So they have formed the words like this: BAT, bat. TALL, tall. TABLE, table. Okay, here you can see some more examples, students. Look at here. If you select words, letters like this, A and M, then you have to form the words am. Am, am. You have to include both the letters. Am, am. MAN, man. MAT, mat. MATCH, match. Market, MARKET, market. And you can see here, second one, E and P. Here, APPLE, apple. Here you can see P also and E also. Yes. Plate, PLATE, plate. Look at here, plate has P also there and E also there. You have to include both the letters in your words when you form the words. Paper, PAPER, paper. PET, pet. Page, PAGE, page. Elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Okay, and if you select I and N, which words you can write? See, ink, INK, ink. In. Important, IMPORTANT. Here I also there, N also there. Important. Finger, FINGER, finger. I also there, N also there, finger. Pink, PINK, pink. Here also you can see I and N. Yes. Okay, if you select O and P, what you can write? POT, pot. TOP, top. MOP, mop. SOAP, soap. Open, OPEN, open. This way. Okay. If you select U and S, us, you can write US, us. SOUP, soap. Soar, SOUR, soar. Soar. Over. Next. T and I. IT. It. SIT. Sit. Pit. 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 KIT. Kit. This way you have to write so many words. Or if you select A and R, what you can write? ARE, R. Here you can see A and R also. R. Far, FAR, far. Jar, JAR, jar. CAR, car. Rare, RARE, rare. Okay. Or if you select E and G, what you can write? Egg, EGG, egg. And GAT, gate. And get, GET, get. Rate, RATE, rate. Okay. Understood? This way you have to select two letters from two cards also. Then you have to form so many words from like this. And next page it is what? Next page it is think and answer. Students, you must know what is the first letter of your name and what is the last letter of your name and how many letters you have in your name and which words you can form from the first letter of your name, like this. Okay, here teacher ask some questions to the students. What is your name? My name is Tejal. Here see, what is the first letter of your name? T. And what is the last letter of your name? L. How many letters are there in your name? 5. And tell any word that begins with the first letter of your name. Tiger. Okay, these are all Tejal name. First letter Tejal what? T. Last letter Tejal what? L. And which word you can make from the T? Tiger. Students, this will improve your vocabulary. Okay.